Good evening everyone. Today we will be discussing about the chapter area related to circle. Its most important questions as well as previous year questions also we will be discussing. Before discussing the all the questions and previous year questions, first we will be going through most important formulas or the formulas that we will be using in the complete chapter. So let us start with the introduction part. What is radius? Radius of a circle is from center of the circle to any point on the circle is called as the radius of the circle. Now, diameter is from A to B distance is called as diameter, and diameter will be the longest chord. Area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we will be using the formula pi r square. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle means the boundary part. This boundary part will be calculated using the formula 2 pi r. To find area of an equilateral triangle, we will be having the formula root 3 by 4 a square when 60, 60, 60. Then here we will be using the formula root 3 by 4 a square. Area of right angle triangle. If the triangle is right angle, then we will be using the formula half into base into height. Area of a triangle when angle is above 90 degree. For example, if the given angle is above 90 degree, for example it is 120 degree, then we will be using the formula r square into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is very rare case, only in 1 or 2 questions we will be using this formula. Now, most important is your sector as well as a segment. Before going to sector as well as segment, we will be knowing what is sector and segment. If a circle is divided by the radius, or else if radius is dividing the complete circle, then it is called as a sector. Now, if a chord is dividing the circle, then it is called as segment. The smaller part will be calling it as minor sector. The bigger part will be calling it as major sector. Same here also. The smaller part will be calling it as minor segment. The major or bigger part will be calling it as major segment. Now, to calculate the area to find this sector, that is minor sector, we will be having the formula area of minor sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value they will give you. For example, if theta value is 60 degree, then 60 by 360 into pi r square. This is your area of the minor sector. Now, area of a major sector, 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square. If I want to find out this area, that is major sector, if angle is 60 degree, again same, 360 minus 60 divided with 360 into pi r square, where r is your radius. Length of arc of minor sector. Now, from A to B, this arc is known as a minor arc. If I want to find out this length, we will be having the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. As well as to find out the length of the major arc, this arc, then also we will be having the formula 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now next, coming for the area of the segment. To find out the area of minor segment, this area, then I will be using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Why we are using area of triangle? This formula is theta by 360 into pi r square is your complete area of a sector, that is minor sector. If I cancel area of triangle, this part, then I will be getting the area of the minor segment. That is why this formula is area of a minor sector minus area of a triangle. Area of major segment. To find out area of major segment, complete this part. I need to just this complete part I need to calculate. That is your area of square is pi r square minus I need to cancel out this part. This part is your area of the minor segment. That is pi r square minus area of minor segment. Now, to calculate area of a quadrant. Area of quadrant means the circle is divided into 4 parts. Angle will be 90 degree. To find out the area of this part, then your formula will be angle is 90 degree, 90 by 360 into pi r square. Also, area of a sector when perimeter is given. In 1 or 2 cases we have found that they have not given the angle, only they have given the perimeter of the area of sector. Then we will be using the formula half into L into R, where L is your arc length. Okay, we will be starting with the first question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area served by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Let us draw a clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1. Now, the length of the minute hand. For example, initially the minute hand is at 12. Its length is 14 centimeter. Its length is 14 centimeter. Find the area served by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Area served by the minute hand means from year to year. Now it is traveled from 12 to 1. This area we need to find. To find out this area is also known as this complete is on circle. Then if radius is dividing the circle, then it is called as a sector. Now smaller part is your minor sector. Now to find out the angle theta, we will be having solution. Angle described by minute hand equal to, now or else you can calculate how many parts it is dividing. 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 360 by 12, 12 on the 3 is 36. That is your angle will be here 30 degree. Now, for example, if a circle is divided into 12 parts, then divided by 12. If a circle is divided into 10 parts, then divided by 10. Then you will be getting the angle of sector. Here angle of sector we got 30 degree. To find out the area, we will be having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? 30 degree divided by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7. Radius they are given in 14. 7 ones are 7 2s are 0 0 cancels. 3 ones are again 2 ones are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 22 into 7 divided by 3. 22 into 7 is 14. 15. That is 154 by 3 centimeter square. The area served by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 154 by 3 centimeter square. Isn't it? Sometimes if they may ask you area served by the minute hand in 15 minutes, then each sector is having the angle 30 degree, then 60, then here it will be 90 degree. Angle will be 90 by 360 into pi r square. Everything will be same. Now to find out the next question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends the right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. A chord of a circle. Then AB is chord, OA and OB are the radius. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm. Radius they are given you 10 cm. Subtends a right angle. At right angle center, right angle is created. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Minor segment means this part. To find out the area of the minor segment, we are having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Which triangle we will be using? If it is 90 degree, then half into base into height. Theta is 90 by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7, or else if in the question they have mentioned that pi value take as 3.14, then we need to take 3.14. Here in question itself they have mentioned take pi value as 3.14. Then pi value will be 3.14. Radius is 10 into 10 minus half into, again base is also 10, height is also 10. 9 ones are 9 4s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 3.14 into 25 minus 2 1s are 2 5s are 50. After calculation, your final answer will be 28.5 centimeter square. This is area of the minor segment. Now, to find out the area of the major sector, angle is 90 degree, 10, 10. Major sector formula is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value is 90 degree, pi value 3.14 into 10 into 10. 360 minus 90 is 270 divided by 360, 0 cancel, 3 9s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, into 3.14 into 10 will be 314. Then 314 into 3 divided by 4. Again cancellation, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 7s are. 157 into 3. Then your final answer will be 235.5 centimeter square. Final answer will be getting it as 235.5 centimeter square. Listen. Whenever they are talking about the segment or chord, first will be drawing one chord and joining the radius. If in the question they mentioned about chord, then it is about the segment. Now here we need to find the major sector. Major sector means this part. To find out the major sector formula, we are having 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is your 90 degree. Other things will be as it is. Coming to the next question. An arc of radius 21 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc. They are asking about the length of the arc. O, A, B, radius they are given in 21. An arc of radius 21 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Angle is 60 degree. The length of the arc. Length of the arc means this arc length we need to find. To find out the arc length, we are having the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 divided by 360, 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 21. 7 ones are, 7 3s are, 6 ones are, 6 6s are, 2 ones are, 2 3s are, 3 3 it cancels. Final answer will be 22 centimeter square. This is the arc length. Arc length we got at 22 centimeter square. No, length is 22 centimeter. Now, area of the minor segment. To find out the area of the minor segment, whenever the segment is there, we need to draw a chord. A, B, O. Radius is again same, 21. Angle is here 60 degree. To find out the area of the minor segment, this part, again we are having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Which triangle we will be using? If angle is 60 degree, then always we will be using root 3 by 4 a square, that is equilateral triangle. Theta is 60 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7, radius is again 21 into 21 minus root 3 by 4, 21 into 21. Cancellation, 7 ones are, 7 3s are, 6 ones are, 6 6s are, 3 ones are, 3 2s are, 2 ones are, 2 11s are. 11 into 21 minus root 3 value is, if they given the root 3 value, then substitute, otherwise no need. Now after multiplication we will be getting 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Coming for the next question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming an umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. For example, the umbrella, assuming umbrella to be a flat circle ribs, umbrella has 8 ribs. 1, 2, 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Umbrella is having totally how many ribs, sir? 8 ribs, which are equally spaced. In figure it is not equally spaced, but they are given it as equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius they are given you 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive means one after the other. That is, if one rib is second rib, then area between these two ribs I need to find. To find the area between these two ribs, this area will be calling it as a minor sector. To find the area of minor sector, we will be having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. 8 ribs. If it is circle is divided into 8 parts, then angle will be found out by 360 by 8. That is 45 sir. 45 degree. Yes, 45 degree. Theta is 45 divided by 360. Pi value they have given you. If they are not mentioned, then make it as 22 by 7. Radius is 45. Then cancel 2275 divided by 28 centimeter square. Calculation part, do it yourself. Final answer will be getting it as 2275 divided by 28 centimeter square. Now, for example, the umbrella has only ribs, 8 ribs. Then circle is divided into 8 parts. Angle will be found out by 360 by 8. Then angle will be 45 degree. This is the area of a minor sector. Area of minor sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value you are having 45 degree, pi value 22 by 7, radius they are given 45. Next, a round table cover has 6 equal designs. Figure already they have given in the question itself. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, now radius they are given you 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the designs. We need to find the cost of making these types of designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter. Now, this area is known as a minor segment. To find out the area of minor segment, we are having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB. I need to calculate the value of theta. To calculate the value of theta, a circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If circle is divided into 6 parts, then 360 by 6, 6 ones are 6 6 are. Then each angle will be having a 60 degree. 60 by 360 into pi value they are not given that 22 by 7, radius is 28 minus area of triangle. If it is 60 degree, then 60 60. Then I will be using root 3 by 4 a square, that is 28 into 28. Cancellation, 6 ones are 6 6 are, 7 ones are 7 4s are, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Now left with 22 into 2 into 28 divided by 3 minus root 3 value they are given you. Cancellation, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Root 3 value is 1.73 into 7 into 28. After calculation, 1232 divided by 3 minus 333.2 divided by 1. Now LCM will be 3, then 1232 minus 999.6 divided by 3. We will be getting 2324 divided by 3 centimeter square. 232.2 divided by 3 centimeter square. But total number of designs we are having is 6. Total number of digits are 6. Then 6 into area, that is 232.4 divided by 3. Then we will be getting 464.8 centimeter square. Now to calculate the cost, we are having the formula cost equal to rate into area. What is rate? Rate they are given is 0.35 into area we got 464.8. Then your final answer will be 162.68 rupees. 162.68 rupees for designing these parts. Total answer is 162.68 rupees. Calculation part you do it. Then here circle is divided into 6 parts. Then each angle circle is having the angle 60 degree. Then this part will be calling it as minor segment. Minor segment formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. Next question. In the given figure, a circle with center O. Circle is having center O. AB is a tangent. Where AB is one tangent of a circle. Tangent of length 12 centimeter. Tangent length they have given you 12 centimeter. With the point of contact B. Point of contact is at B. Find the area of the shaded region. We need to find the area of the shaded region. This part we need to find. To find the area of the shaded region, for example, if the complete circle is if I am taking the complete circle, if I am taking the complete triangle and cancelling out this part is that is your area of the minor sector. Then I will be getting the area of the shaded part. That is solution. Area of shaded part equal to area of triangle AOB minus complete triangle I am taking. Area of triangle AOB minus area of this part. This part is known as area of the minor sector. That is theta by area of a minor sector. Now area of triangle AOB is your, if it is right angle triangle, then half into base into height. Half into base value they give 5, height is 12 minus area of minor sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Cancellation of 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 5 are 30 minus theta value is 60 degree divided by 360, pi value 22/7, radius is 5. Then 6 ones are 6 6 are 2 3 are 50. 55 to 5 is 275 divided by 21. After calculation, your answer will be, final answer will be 16.9 centimeter square. Now, to calculate the area of the shaded part, that is this part, complete take area of the triangle and subtract the area of a minor sector.
Next principle.
Next question. The perimeter of a sector of circle of radius 15 cm is 80 cm. Find the area of the sector. Area of sector is your, if a circle is dividing the radius, then it is sector A, O, B. This part we will be calling it as sector. Then perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of sector they have given you. Perimeter means outer part of the sector. OA, AB and OB. And also they have given you the radius. Radius is 15. Then OA will be 15, OB will also be 15. To find out AB, we are having OA plus OB plus AB equal to perimeter is 80. Then OA is 15 plus 15 plus AB is 80. Then AB equal to 80 minus 30. Then AB will getting it as 50. Now AB we got 50 degree. That is your 50 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. We need to find area of the sector. This complete area we need to find. To find out the area of the sector, we will be having the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. But whenever theta value we don't know, we will be using the formula special formula, that is area of sector equal to half into L into R. L is your area of the, that is area of length. Area of length we got it as 50 and radius we are having 15 degree. Then 2 ones are 2 25s are 25 into 15 is 375 centimeter square. So area of sector is 375 centimeter square. Whenever theta value they don't we don't know, and perimeter they are given, you will be using the formula half into L into R. MCQ type of question. They given you the perimeter of the shaded region in the given figure is. We need to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter means outer part. This part, this one, and this one. Then perimeter of the shaded region will be R plus this time they are given L. Then 2R plus L. Option 2R plus L. Option C is correct answer. So next question is, find the area of the shaded region if length of the radius of each circle is 7 cm. Each circle touches the other two externally. Then radius length they are given you 7 cm. Then from here to here also radius length will also be 7. And total length of one side of a square will be 14 cm. Now to find the area of the shaded region, we need to find the area of this region. Area of this region is, we need to first calculate the area of square, that is your area of square, minus we need to subtract the area of quadrant. How many quadrants are there total? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to cancel out, that is we need to subtract area of 4 quadrants. So length of side equal to 14 centimeter. Length of the side is 14 centimeter. Now area of square, area of square minus 4 into area of a quadrant. This is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Then 4 times of area of quadrant. Area of square is 14 square minus 4 into area of quadrant formula having 90 by 360 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7. R value is 7 into 7. 7 will cancel. 9 ones are 9 4s are 4 will cancel. 14 square is 196 minus 22 into 7. 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 154. 196 minus 154 will be 42 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square, isn't it? If complete area of square is, for example, if complete area of square is 5, then these 4 are 1, 1, 1, 1. Then I will be subtracting these 1. Then I will be getting the area of the shaded part. That is, subtract area of square minus the area of the quadrant. Then you will be getting the area of the shaded part. Area of square minus 4 into area of the quadrant. Final answer we got 42 centimeter square. Thank you.